Namaste children, I am your science teacher Neelam Saraswat. In this video, we are going to discuss about the class 8th science, chapter number 8, cell structure and functions. Let's begin with the discovery of the cell. In 1965, Robert Hooke observed slices of cork from a bark of a tree under simple magnifying glass. He noticed small boxes or compartments in the cork slice. The boxes were separated from each other by a wall. He named each box as a cell. The cells which Hooke observed were actually dead cells of the plant. Cells are the basic structural units of living organisms. Some organisms are made up of single cell and some are made up of many cells. The number of cells in a tall tree or an animal like an elephant or human being are millions and trillions of cells. Organisms made up of many cells are called multicellular organisms. Example tree, elephant. Organisms made up of only one cell are called unicellular organisms, amoeba and paramecium. Cells are of different shapes. Some cells keep changing their shape like amoeba, white blood cells in human beings. Some cells are spherical, round, elongated, spindle or branch shape. Cells in living organisms are of different sizes. They may be as small as millionth of a meter or large as a few centimeters. The smallest cell is the cell of bacteria and the largest cell is the egg of an ostrich. You can see here the onion peel cells, how they look like under a microscope. It is a plant cell. Then when human cheek cells, they are observed under a microscope. These are the animal cells. Parts of a cell. The main parts of a cell are cell membrane, which is also called plasma membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. These are the three parts. Cell membrane, it gives shape to the cell, protects the inner parts of the cell and allows movement of materials in and out of the cell. In plant cells, the cell membrane is covered by another thick covering called cell wall. Cell wall is only present in the plant cell. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. It contains other components also like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, vacuoles, etc. Nucleus is a spherical body generally found in the center of the cell. It has a membrane called nuclear membrane. It has a smaller spherical body which is called nucleolus and thread-like structures which are called chromosomes. The chromosomes carry genes which transfer characters from parents to the offsprings. Vacuoles are the blank spaces in the cytoplasm. Vacuoles are large in size in plant cells and small in size in animal cells. Plant cells have several colored bodies in the cytoplasm are called plastids. The green colored plastids are called chloroplast. They contain chlorophyll which help in the photosynthesis. This is the structure of a plant cell. Plant cell, you can see here the cell wall, then below that cell membrane. This is nucleus, the colored bodies, the green colored bodies, chloroplast. The food vacuole size, you can see it's larger in plant cell. Then the structure of animal cell. In animal cell, cell wall is absent, only cell membrane is present. The jelly-like substance which is present between the cell membrane and the nucleus is the cytoplasm. It is present in both animal cell and plant cell. This is nucleus. Now we can compare the animal cell and plant cell. So we can see here the nucleus in both animal cell and plant cell. Here cell membrane is present only in animal cell. No cell wall is present. Only cell membrane is present. But in case of plant cell, both cell membrane and cell wall are present. The food vacuole. The vacuole size in animal cell is smaller in comparison to the plant cell. Then chloroplast. These are present only in the plant cell and not in the animal cell. So here cell membrane, it is present in both the cells. Cell wall, it is present only in the plant cell. Nucleus, it is present in both plant and animal cell. Nuclear membrane is also present in both the cells. Cytoplasm is also present in both plant and animal cells. Plastids, these are only present in the plant cell. And vacuole, these are also present in both cells, but in plant cell the vacuole size is large, but in animal cell it is small. Two types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. So the prokaryotic cells, they do not have structures surrounded by membranes. There are few internal structures. Examples are one cell organisms, bacteria. Then eukaryotic cells, they contain organelles surrounded by membranes. Example, most of the living organisms are the examples of eukaryotic cell. So thank you. We will meet again in next video.